This video shows the step-by-step mathematical solution for finding the value of x that satisfies the equation shown. You can pause the video anytime if you'd like to try solving it yourself. Let's get started. You can now try to solve the equation on your own and compare your solution with the one presented. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.